Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. Today we have a good news from National Law University Jodhpur. It has released a notification regarding the vacant seats. So let us look into the details. So we at Abhyaas Lawprep has created a dedicated page for all the vacant seats available. Just type NLU vacant seats in the Google so that a dedicated page from Abhyaas Lawprep will be available. Here you will be getting the details of all the vacant seats of different NLUs. So just scroll down. We have given a link and the notification for this NLU Jodhpur. So just click on the notification. So the page, official page of NLU Jodhpur will be available. Let's look into the details. NLU Jodhpur has given three vacant seats, one under All India General category, one under Rajasthan Domicile category, and one under All India OBC category. So under three categories, you have one vacant seats each, total of three vacant seats. So the process to apply here mentioned here. So there is no upper limit mentioned in this particular to enter into the NLU Jodhpur. So anyone who have scored, who have written CLAT 2024 examination are eligible to apply NLU Jodhpur. So the filling of the seats are completely depends on the CLAT 2024 merit list. So irrespective of the rank, you can apply if you want to enter into the NLU Jodhpur. So you need to pay 1,000 rupees non-refundable fee through the link given here. We will see after clicking this. And the final date to apply is before 2nd July 2024, 5 p.m. So keep this in mind. You need to pay 1,000 rupees non-refundable fee and you need to pay it before 2nd July 2024 and you need to fill the details here. So let's look into this. So if you want to apply, just click here. A page will be opened. So this is the vacancies page for OBC category and general category. So depends upon the category which you fall under, you can choose any of this. So either apply through OBC category link or apply to general category link. So the page is equal for everything. So under general category, you need to fill the details, your CLAT roll number, your all India rank, your name, your father's name, email, phone, P receipt. So for this P receipt, you need to pay 1,000 rupees registration. Again, link was given here. Just click this link. Payment page will be available open in this. Under payment category, you need to opt for other payments. After that, you need to fill the required details of your phone number, mobile number. Purpose of payment here mention vacant seats. Here you need to mention fee, vacant seats fee. So after that, you need to fill the amount of 1,000 rupees. Next, again, you need to fill the individual details, name, mobile number, date of birth, email ID, and click on this. I have agreed the terms and conditions. You need to enter the text shown here and you need to click on the next so that a payment page will be opened. You need to verify your details and complete the payment. After generating the receipt, you need to enter the receipt number here. So if you falls under Rajasthan domicile category, you need to choose yes, so that you will be having an option for general as well as Rajasthan domicile. If you are not a Rajasthan domicile, click on no, so that you will be having only one seat available with you. And you need to upload your photo, your CLAT scorecard, and upload your sign and submit. So by this, your candidature will be submitted with NLU Jodhpur. So those who wants to apply for NLU Jodhpur, apply before 2nd July 2024, 5 p.m. And these details will be considered for any other vacancies arrives in future. So if you have any doubts regarding your law preparation or your NLU vacancies, you can always reach us at Abhyaas Law Prep. We will always guide you uh, to enter into the NLU. So all the best. Utilize this opportunity. Thank you.